Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn part 2 of Shakira's dance on Dai Dai. That's the part towards the beginning. If you want to learn the main part with the ball, you can check my other tutorial on my channel. Don't forget this is a tutorial only, so if you want to practice with the music at different speeds, you can check my other video. All the links are in the description below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, make sure that you are super warm up before we start. All right, so we're going to do mirrored, meaning this is your right and this is your left. So in the video, she starts with a big jump. So we're going to lift the right knee and then the left knee. Yeah, so right, left, down. Bringing your arms up with the fist. Right, left, down. And when you land, you're going to bring the pelvis forward and center. Really push forward, center, with your right arm bending. Bringing it up, fist. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you choose to do that version, please make sure you're really warmed up. Yeah. In the live performance, she only does little jump. That's it. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do in this tutorial, but you can choose the version you prefer. The dancers are bending a little bit the knees, yeah, but she really does that little jump, yeah? So we're just gonna jump and bring the arms forward, yeah? Fist, yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And she doesn't bring the pelvis forward either, yeah? So just this. After that, we're gonna throw the right arm up, fist, and you're gonna look towards the left. And while you do that, you're gonna lift the left leg and bring it back down. Again, in the video, she doesn't lift the leg. Yeah, in the live version, she does. Yeah, so boom, and come back. Yeah, so we've done the jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so you're gonna move your pelvis back to front. Yeah, pam, pam. Yes, twice. Yes, with the hands. So it's gonna be palms facing back, and you're gonna cup, cup. Yeah, if I face you, cup, cup. Like that, but palms are facing back. Pam, pam. Yes, so pam, pam. Back, forward with your pelvis. Yeah, and that's your first 8. So jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Second 8. So we're gonna do pam, 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 pam. Yeah, so it's a tiny jump, like a hop. Pam, 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 pam on the right leg. But instead of thinking up like in a jump, you're thinking down, you're thinking on the floor, on the ground. Yes, because it's very inspired by African dance. So you really have to feel the floor. And then while you do that, the left leg is gonna lift a little bit, yeah? Like pushing, like there's something on the floor and you wanna get it out of the way, yeah? So pam, 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 3 times. With the arms, fist, we're gonna go. Arms are bent, pull your elbows back, bring them forward, back. Yeah, so pam, pam, pam. Again, back, forward, back. And on the 4, you're going to jump and come back center and clap. Yeah, so pam, 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 clap. And then we do exactly the same thing on the other side. So legs first, pam, pam, pam. Arms back, forward, back. Both together, pam, pam, pam. And same thing, little jump to come back center. And that's your second 8. Yeah, so again, that's second 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top. From the jump. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, one last time. And jump. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's the first part. Now we're going to learn the 2 other 8s. So after that, she's going forward. Pam, 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 pam. So it's really clear in the dancer that they lift the right foot and then hop forward. Lift the left foot and hop forward. Same thing, yeah? It's really African movements, so really in the ground. Feel the ground, yeah? So it's really visible in the dancers that they lift the right, then they lift the left. Shakira, she hardly does it. So if you prefer just going with the 2 legs at the same time, honestly, it won't make a difference. So whatever is easier for you. However, make sure you bring your right leg forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot, yeah, forward. And we're gonna do that 8 times. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? And every time you're gonna push, yes, your ribs, your rib cage forward, yeah? Forward, 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 forward. Not too much, yes, but yes, a little bit. Yeah, to go with the movement. Yes, so let's do that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yeah? Really push that rib cage. After that, she's gonna walk 2 steps. Right, left, boom. Yeah, so you just walk normally, right, left, boom, like you're throwing the ball with your head. Yes, and it's gonna be on 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna do and 4. Yeah, so pelvis is gonna go back, back. Yeah, and 4. With the hands, you're gonna put it next to your face, so on your ears here. Hands are flat. Yes, and then pointing forward. So flat, pointing forward. This is a little fast. Yeah, so it's gonna be with the pelvis going back and back. Again, slowly, back and back. Yeah, last time, back and back. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why it's really fast, yeah? If I do it normal speed, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah? Again, a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last movement. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the hands are just gonna be on your side. Yeah, side of your face, yeah? Hands is flat, fingers, yeah, like that, spread. And you're just bending left, bending right, bending left, bending right. Yes? With the pelvis, it's gonna go a little bit in circles like that. Yeah, circle, circle to the left, towards the left, 4 circles. Yes? And when you arrive to the left, you can open a little bit your knees if you want. Yes? It's a very small movement of the knees. Yeah? So you don't have to. If you do the pelvis already, that's already good enough. Yeah? So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we were here. Yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Pam, pan, and left, right, left, right. Yeah? Let's do again from the beginning of that third 8, from the walk, boom, and the head. So we walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you do that movement, that last movement, you're leaning a little bit, yeah, on the back leg. Yes, like that. Yes, on your side and on the back leg, on the right leg. Yeah? Again, that third 8. Yeah? So we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, doing the third and the fourth 8. Yeah, from here. Yeah, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, obviously in those, yes, you can go a lot more forward, yes, but I wanted to stay in the shot, so that's why I didn't go that much forward, yes. But if you have a lot of space, please go forward, yeah. Again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do from the top the 4 8s together. Slowly. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, as it really helps me keep making these videos for free. Thank you for watching. Bye.